Hey tech lovers! Google just dropped the Pixel 10a. Amazing camera, 7 years of updates. But it still runs on last year's chip? Is this a smart buy or just deja vu? Let's break it all down. Let's start with its excellent camera for the price. Google's signature computational photography still delivers strong results, detailed, vibrant shots that often punch above its price class. Expect solid daylight snaps and surprisingly capable low-light photos. It might not win the Best Camera Ever award, but it'll make your cat look majestic enough for Instagram fame. Long software support? This phone promises up to 7 years of Android and security updates. Rare in this segment and a big win if you want longevity and peace of mind. What about its build quality and durability? With IP68 water and dust resistance and Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, the Pixel 10a is tougher than most mid-range phones. Useful extra features? You get faster charging, up to 30 watts wired and 10 watts wireless, new AI-based camera tools, and even satellite SOS support. Handy if you decide to hike where cell signal fears to tread. When it comes to its bright, smooth display, the 6.3-inch POLED screen is brighter and more readable outdoors. Ideal for endless scrolling or watching cat videos in direct sunlight. Yeah! Let's talk now about negative points and quirks on this phone. If you already owned the Pixel 9a, the Pixel 10a might look suspiciously like deja vu. Same main specs, same camera hardware, and the same Tensor G4 chip. It's like, new phone, same brain. Not exactly thrilling at €499. Not the fastest horse in the stable? Using the Tensor G4, same as last year, means no Tensor G5 power, which limits some of the newest AI tricks and performance improvements other Pixels enjoy. What about its bezels that's still noticeable? While slightly slimmer, the bezels aren't exactly ultra-edgeless. In a world of tiny bezels, these are like the eyebrows you can see from space. Overall, the Pixel 10a is reliable, practical, and smart. Great if you value software longevity, clean Android experience, and camera performance in everyday life is a priority. Maybe skip it if you already own a Pixel 9a. The upgrades might feel too mild. Raw specs, chip, storage, telephoto lens matter a lot. So, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for weekly content.